Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming app updates and a stable network, because quality options depend on available bandwidth. Once connected, open the Shorts live camera and grant permissions. This gets the stream pipeline ready. Next, you hit Go Live and immediately tap the small settings or gear icon in the preview. This is your gateway to bitrate and resolution choices. Make these first adjustments before you're fully live, so YouTube can allocate encoding resources based on your selection. Once inside settings, focus on resolution and bitrate because they control visual clarity and stability. You choose 720p or 1080p depending on device support. Pick higher resolution for clearer video. For bitrate, select high when your upload is above roughly 5 Mbps to avoid compression artifacts. Pick medium or low to prevent buffering if your connection is weaker. If your network fluctuates, enable auto so YouTube can adapt bitrate on the fly. To finish, start the live session and monitor live health or stats to confirm frames and bitrate match expectations. This shows how your choices perform in real time. If you see buffering or dropped frames, immediately lower bitrate or resolution to stabilize the stream, since reducing demand helps viewers stay connected. If problems persist, stop and restart the app, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. This often resolves transient network problems without changing settings permanently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.